What's the matter?
I said, how'd you get in front? I said, you wanted to watch him wreck. Maybe you gotta get behind Bill. I don't want someone wreck.
You gonna wreck, Bill?
I don't plan on it.
What kind of attitude is that?
I just wanted to get far enough in front of you. You didn't see me wreck. That's why I was looking through.
She's wet.
Huh? Oh, my feet are soaked.
Really?
Oh,
How's that
my.
front tire in this mud?
Fucking horrible.
Is it?
Seriously?
I mean, it's better. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely better than yesterday, but it's still.
Not great.
No, he's there.
Is it?
No. Yeah, let's
Look
go.
at the gang here.
Bottom end of this, we'll stop and take a look at the map, and then because I think we're going on to 15, but
We went that way yesterday.
no,
No, we went
we
down.
went down.
No, we went up.
We went down.
We went down. I went up and looked, remember?
You guys remember how we're doing this, because that's how we're getting home. So
Hey, he wants to take the top. Let's take the top.
it just goes up to that buggy trail.
Oh, okay. Let's take
Listen,
the
you can hear him right there.
Right above us.
Yeah, we do.
I don't think they did though. Are they behind you?
Yeah, they're behind us. Hey, Billy! Hey, Bill, just sit there a minute, I'm coming by. It's very tacky up here. What are you doing, Bill?
Can't get it going.
It's slippery.
Can't get no traction.
All this on video.
Are you having trouble, Bill?
A little bit.
You keep backing up closer to me and roosting me.
You want to get around me?
Well, I tried, but that's fucking slick.
I can't get no traction, man.
Let me try right there, Bill. You know where?
This way here?
Yeah. Actually, you know where? Hey, Bill.
Yeah.
Remember when I told you to buy an Ibex?
Yeah. That's why. Remember, I'm heavier.
That's more traction. That fucker is slick though.
Fucking right. You get me right there, I can go.
Well, it's fucking flat. It's flat.
I know, I get right there, I'm good. I hate to back up now. I'm not gonna get no bite. I get on top of them rocks, I start to spin. I can't.
Kick that log out of your way, Bill. It might be hooked.
Fucking log right there is fucking me.
Ah,
Right there.
there's a rock right there you're hitting into.
There's a log right there fucking me.
Well, go faster. might have to go back down and get another run.
Wonder if I can get it up on here.
It's fucking wet, buddy.
Huh?
It's wet. You need in that, let some air out of that tire maybe, I don't know.
Turn the fucker around, I guess. I'll go back down.
You got a whole train behind you.
Huh?
There's a whole train behind you.
I don't know what to do here. Want to give it a try?
Yeah, let me try this big fucking thing.
Put it in neutral to start it.
All right, it won't.
Heel. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll give it.
Hold on. Hold on.
Put it in first. Give us the gas.